Hello everyone, this is grade 6, module 2, lesson 10, problem set. So the direction state, calculate the product using partial products. So what it means is, and I'll start in with 1, 400 times 45 and 2/10. I'm going to break apart the decimal into the whole number and the decimal part, and I'm going to multiply the 400 by each of those. So I'm looking at 400 times 45, that's the whole number, plus 400 times the 2/10. So I got my whole number on one side, my decimal on the other, but I'm still multiplying 400 by both of them. The easiest way for me to do this is not to show 400 times 45, it's to show 400, so unit form times 45. And I know it's 100, it's 180 hundreds. Hundreds means 2 zeros with it, so I'll get 18,000. And then for this next one, 2 times 4 is 8, and we have hundreds here, but because of this decimal making it tenths, it's actually going to move all the digits one place to the right on the place value chart, making it 80. And again, I can show this part for the first one, and our decimal point drops in there because it's right located next to the 2. So when I add these, I get 18,080. Let's look at 2. A little different setup here. Same thing though, I'm going to break apart the decimal. Doesn't matter if it's the decimal is first or second. So I'll do 100 times 14, and I'm going to write it a little differently. And then 100 times 9/10. And notice when I have a whole number next to a parenthesis with no operator symbol, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, it's going to be multiplication. So 100 times 14 is 1400s, or 1,400, plus, and I have the same thing going here, 100 times 9/10. I know it's 900, but because of that decimal place, I got to put it back in to make it 90. And that's going to equal 1,490. Let's go to 3. And I have 200 times 38 and 4/10. And again, I'll break apart the 38 and the 4/10. So 200 times 38 plus 200 times 4/10. So for these ones, again, I like unit form with it the best. Not 200, but in 200 times 38. And I know I can do 2 times 38 to get 76. It's 76 hundreds. So 2 zeros. That just makes it so much easier than setting it up and having the zeros in there when I'm multiplying. I can just use unit form for that. Then I have 2 hundreds times 4/10. 2 times 4 is 8. And I know if I do show this, I get 800, but because I have tenths here, I have to go I have to move everything one place value. So it's going to be 80. So I get 7,680. Let's do 4. And 4 says 900 times 20 and 7/10. So I'm going to do the whole number and then the decimal. So 900 times 20 plus 900 times 7/10. So again, 9 hundreds times 20 is 180 hundreds. So it's 18,000. And you can show that vertically if you need to. And then I have 900 times 7/10. This one I get 6,300, but again, with tenths, I have to go one decimal place, meaning one place value. So it'll be 630. And then I can just add those together to get 18,630. And then my last one for 5. Might as well do them all. 76 and 2/10 times 200s, or 200. Again, whole number, decimal. So it's going to be 200, the whole number, times 76, plus 200 times 2/10. So again, 200s. So I'm just going to use the 2 here. 2 times 76 is 152. That's 152 hundreds. Hundreds means 2 zeros. So 15,200. And then I got my 200 times 2/10. I get 400 for that, but I have one place value here that I have to shift the numbers to get 40. Now when I add those, 15,240. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and good luck on the rest of your problem set.